In the rarefied world of ultra-luxury automobiles, there exists a tier so exclusive that merely possessing wealth in the tens of millions is insufficient for consideration. These are not simply expensive cars. They represent the absolute zenith of automotive engineering, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. Each vehicle in this elite category embodies centuries of heritage, countless hours of meticulous handwork, and technological innovations that push the boundaries of what's possible. The manufacturers behind these machines don't simply build cars. They create rolling sculptures, mechanical symphonies, and status symbols that transcend traditional notions of transportation. 1. Rolls-Royce Sweptail, $28 million. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail represents the rebirth of true coach building in the modern era. Revealed in 2021, only 3 will ever be built, each completely unique to its owner. The first client, reportedly from the luxury goods industry, worked for years with Rolls-Royce designers to create a vehicle inspired by racing yachts. The most remarkable feature is the rear deck hosting suite. At the touch of a button, motorized panels open like butterfly wings to reveal a complete champagne service with refrigerators set to precise temperatures, custom crystal flutes in machined aluminum holders, and a deployable parasol for outdoor entertaining. Small tables emerge for alfresco dining. The bodywork required over 2 years to perfect, with hand-formed aluminum panels creating flowing shapes inspired by classic J-class yachts. The paint, a bespoke color created specifically for this client, contains metallic particles that shift subtly as light moves across the surface. Inside, the dashboard incorporates wood sourced from a specific forest and selected for its grain pattern. The seats are upholstered in leather dyed to match the client's favorite fountain pen, requiring multiple iterations to achieve the exact shade. Every element of switch gear, instrument graphics, stitching patterns, and metal finishes received individual attention and approval. 2. Bugatti La Voiture Noire, $18 million. When Bugatti unveiled La Voiture Noire in 2019, they created the most expensive new car ever sold at $18 million before taxes. The name means the black car in French, serving as tribute to the legendary Type 57 SC Atlantic, one of which disappeared during World War II and has never been found. Built on the Chiron platform, La Voiture Noire utilizes a quad-turbocharged 8-liter W16 engine, producing 1,500 horsepower, achieving speeds exceeding 260 miles per hour. However, performance represents only part of its purpose. This is automotive sculpture, a rolling work of art that happens to achieve velocities most cars cannot dream of reaching. The carbon fiber bodywork flows in continuous curves from nose to tail, with sections bonded so seamlessly that panel gaps essentially disappear. The deep gloss black finish required countless hours of hand polishing to achieve mirror-like depth. Light doesn't simply reflect off La Voiture Noire. It pools and flows across the surfaces, accentuating every curve and line. 6 individual exhaust outlets at the front channel gases from the massive engine, while intricate LED lighting integrates so cleanly it virtually disappears when unlit. The signature Bugatti horseshoe grille was milled from a single aluminum block. The interior maintains Bugatti's philosophy of combining supreme luxury with driver focus, with every surface treated in the finest leathers and aluminum elements machined to aerospace tolerances. Only one exists. Only one will ever exist. 3. Rolls-Royce Sweptail, $13 million. The Sweptail, unveiled in 2017 at the prestigious Concorso d'Eleganza Vita d'Este, took 4 years to complete for one client who wanted something inspired by classic yachts and pre-war Rolls-Royce models. The result was a 2-seat Grand Tour featuring a completely unique body that exists as the only one of its kind in the world. The Sweptail rear end was crafted from a single piece of aluminum, evoking racing yachts the client admired. The glasshouse features the largest piece of curved glass ever used on a Rolls-Royce, creating an uninterrupted panoramic view. Instead of a traditional rear window, the Sweptail employs a tapered design culminating in a center line that runs the entire length of the car. The grille, milled from solid aluminum and hand-polished to a mirror finish, required over 100 hours of work. The Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament sits proudly above, watching over this mechanical triumph. Inside, the cabin abandons rear seating entirely to serve 2 occupants in unprecedented luxury. Macassar ebony and open-pore Paldao create flowing landscapes across interior surfaces. The center console features a mechanism that opens with mechanical precision to reveal custom holders for the client's watch collection. Storage compartments were designed specifically for the owner's preferred champagne and laptop, with the attaché case storage area integrating seamlessly into the design. 4. Pagani Huayra Codalunga. $7 million. Horacio Pagani's small Modena factory produces fewer than 50 cars annually, each treated more like fine art than industrial manufacturing. The Huayra Codalunga, introduced in 2022, represents this philosophy at its highest expression. The name translates to longtail in Italian, referencing legendary longtail racing cars of the 1960s. Only 5 will ever be built, all sold before public reveal, with each exceeding $7 million. These clients work directly with Pagani throughout development, providing input on materials, colors, and details. The extended tail required completely redesigning the rear, with new carbon fiber panels incorporating proprietary carbo-titanium weave combining carbon fiber with titanium threads. The tail extends nearly 14 inches beyond the standard Huayra, creating a flowing line that evokes the classic racing cars that inspired it. Beneath sits an AMG-sourced twin-turbocharged 6-liter V12 producing over 800 horsepower. Yet the car weighs less than 2,700 pounds through extensive use of exotic materials. The central instrument cluster, machined from a single aluminum block, contains over 1,000 individual components. Switches milled from solid aluminum actuate with precision, evoking fine watchmaking. Pagani sourced leather from Scandinavian cattle raised in climate-controlled environments to prevent insect bites. Even the underside receives meticulous finishing equal to the exterior, with engine bay components polished and treated to create visual harmony. 5. Mercedes-Maybach Exelero, $8 million. In 2004, tire manufacturer Fulda needed a vehicle to test ultra-high-performance tires at extreme speeds, but they wanted something spectacular. The Exelero emerged as a vehicle that blurred lines between functional test platform and automotive fantasy. Based on the Maybach 57 platform, the Exelero features a twin-turbocharged V12 producing nearly 700 horsepower. The design combines Art Deco elegance with aggressive performance aesthetics. Long, low, and muscular, it required occupants to slide down into the exceptionally low cabin. The rear quarters incorporated muscular haunches covering 23-inch wheels, the largest ever fitted to a production-based vehicle at that time. The wheels themselves weighed over 70 pounds each. The Exelero achieved a verified top speed of 218 miles per hour while maintaining supreme luxury with leather covering every surface, heated and cooled seats with massage functions, and analog gauges with crisp white faces. After completing tire testing duties, the Exelero sold for $8 million to a prominent entertainment industry figure who drives it regularly at exclusive automotive events rather than keeping it as a static display piece. These 5 vehicles represent the absolute pinnacle of automotive achievement for the ultra-wealthy.